come from. These chess moves are generated by a computer chess program from the 1970s, long before personal computers existed. A programmer named John Comeau created a chess program called CHEKMO-II for the DEC PDP minicomputer system. The original program was written in PAL assembly language for the PDP-8 and originally communicated through a teletype terminal printer. Today, we run that historic chess engine inside a PDP-8 simulator on a modern computer. So in a way, this machine is allowing a 1970s chess computer to move pieces in the real world. Let's execute a move.
This configuration does not require a graphic display or a moving lights from square to square. This game actually moves pieces in real life on a real chessboard on display here. Let's play one of the moves here and show how this game actually moves real chess pieces on a real chessboard. In this case, we do not have to pick up the chess game, but we could. We could actually have the machine interactively move over the piece and its coordinates, lower the interactive automated chess move game robot, and have the piece actually move to the destination place. So in this case, the black bishop moves from C7 to H3 and sets the white king in check, and the white king now is in checkmate. He cannot move here, there, or there. Always in checkmate. That was the end of this game, completely automated in interactive robotic fashion on a real chessboard by a 1970 chess game created by John Comeau, an employee of Digital Equipment